Hey guys, Mr. Idol Hack here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you this electric foot callus remover. Thank you Miller Mild Wrong for sending this out. See the Miller Wrong or Mild Wrong. But yeah, thank you very much guys. Electric foot callus remover. So this is £22.22 at the moment. It's on sale on Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the description. You got high speed motor, noise reduction, forward and reverse rotation, six third, it's meant to say 6 instead it says 6 odd. Oh yeah, that's just the error on their part. So 6 gear cycle. Okay, so one of the reasons this is a very good idea is because this is rechargeable rather than using disposable batteries or plugged in one. This is rechargeable guys, so you don't have the mess of changing batteries, you don't have the mess of being plugged in and making it a bit dangerous. And that's one of the benefits of this. But yeah, it comes in pretty plain packaging, as you can see. Let's see what's inside. Sometimes simple is effective. You let the product speak for you. Okay, there you go guys. You get a USB-C cable with it, and then you get these pads. So these are sanding pads, so you use these on your legs. But when I think about it, there is another. You could probably, so this will go on the top of that, that's gonna spin, and then I think this goes, I don't know, we'll have to see. Oh, it's just a hold lid, maybe, we don't know. Oh, there's more underneath. So yeah, there's different millimeters. Look, 80, 120, 80, 120, I'm guessing. Yep, so I'll give you 2 pads of them ones. Okay, then you have these. There's your instruction manual, and there's the product itself. Is it got any charge? Let's see. You have to hold it. Oh, this will rotate now if I press it. You see, switch round. If I press the rotate button again on the bottom, so if I press power, second speed setting, third speed setting, fourth speed setting, bloody hell, 5th speed setting, 6th speed setting, and your first time to turn it off again, hold it. Okay, I do like that, pretty decent. And you got the USB-C charging port there, and I love this color, it's like a rose gold. But yeah, like I said, there is another purpose for this. When I think about it in my head, you could use this on your wheels, your alloys. You could use this for automotive, to sand alloys, and they give you the pads with it. This could be very actually useful to me, because I want to get some black alloys. Does this go on first or something, or is this just a protection? I think that just protects it. Switch on. Oh yeah, using that motor, you can go very fast. I'm pretty impressed guys, I'm very impressed. So yeah, what you do is you get one of these, you'll stick it on here. So one side is sticky, one side's not, as you can see. So I'm guessing, yeah, because this side's proper like sandpaper. 120 grit. Let me feel the 81. Ooh. Oh yeah, you use them on your feet, on your dead skin. Different settings of like, oh yeah, I've got some dead skin there, can you see? So different settings of like different purposes. So the faster the speed, you can use on other stuff. So yeah, like the different harshness and stuff. So like on a low RPM, you can use it for just to clean your feet normally on a day-to-day basis. On a medium setting, you could use it to kill your dead skin and your peeling skin, whatever. And on high setting, you use it to kill calluses, remove it, kick calluses. Do you know what I mean? So So yeah, it's very useful, but I think it's going to be useful in other cases as well, such as, like I said, automotive. If you got alloy wheels, this is very cheap actually for that purpose. You can use it to sand the alloy wheels all the way around like this. I don't know, slow setting or high setting, whatever you feel like. That will remove the manual labor out of it and save your hands, arms. So yeah, I highly recommend this product, guys. That is very sharp. Yeah, I'm gonna probably use these on my wheels. Maybe you'll see a video of that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good night, and thank you again for sending this out. Appreciate it.